For the latest in sports, here's Kenneth Torres.
After topping the 2019 AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship featherweight division, Nesdi Alcaide Petecio will use the 1 million peso cash incentive she received to buy a farm lot and to complete the construction of their house in Barangay Tuban, Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur. The cash incentive was given by the national government through the Philippine Sports Commission. Petecio said she offers her sacrifices to her family, adding that she was never ashamed even when they were still living in a shanty. Petecio and her family then moved to their bago home where they lived for 8 years. It was built by her father, who works as a collector of chicken dung. Malacanang lauded Petecio, including Carlo Yulo, who also bagged gold in the FIG Artistic Gymnastics men's floor exercise, for bringing honor to the country. According to the presidential spokesperson, Salvador Panielo, the palace was proud of Yulo and Petecio's achievements. PSC Commissioner Ramon Fernandez said that Yulo and Petecio's golden finish in less than 48 hours shows the reawakening of empowered Pinoy athletes. Kenneth Torres, Newsbits Tonight.